Good day to you guys. So in this video I want to talk about the 9 p.m. model. So basically you guys can trade this 9 p.m. model on GBP USD, Euro USD and XA USD in the Asian session. So that means this strategy is a time and price strategy. So that means you should be able to identify when to take a trade and when not to take a trade, and the trade in days, and also to identify the bias. So in this case I recommend you guys to use daily CRT method and the weekly profile to confirm your bias. And also if you guys have some sort of a fundamental backup, that's good. And when it comes to trading days, it's better if you guys trade on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays, because guys, most of the time Mondays will give you the accumulation, but the thing is sometimes in this quarter Mondays will give you the best move in the Asian session, I mean in the gold pair, XAUSD pair. But the theory is it's better if you guys trade on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays. Okay, keep that in your mind. And when it comes to the bias, I told you guys before, use daily CRT and weekly profile. If you guys know something about daily CRT, I will bring you guys another video, so just leave me a comment if you guys want to know that thing. And for the time frame alignment, as usual, 4 hour, 50 minute, 1 minute. And for the risk, just risk 0.5% per trade. Because guys, the thing is, when you guys are trading the Asian model, 9 p.m. model, the bias is little bit unconfirmed and the market is little bit like not confirmed, to be honest. So that's what I told you guys. Make sure to catch up to 40 pips only, and 10 pips when it comes to GU and EU as your take profit levels. And the maximum RR that you can go up to is 1 to 2 R. And I recommend you guys to stay with quick ins and outs, so that will save your account and that will save your trading psychology as well. Just keep that in your mind, because most of the time people are trading in London session and New York sessions. So if you guys can take a trade on Asian session as well, and if you guys are limiting your trades 3 trades per day, that means you guys can catch one trade in Asian session and another one in London and another one in New York. So simple as that, guys. You can just pass a funded account. And without further ado, let's get into charts, guys. Okay guys, so over here you guys can see I'm on the Tokyo session, that means the Asian session. So if I go to 4 hour time frame, I can clearly see the price has taken this high out. So that means most of the time the price should come down, but the thing is we are gonna go with quick ins and outs. Okay, so the strategy is 9 p.m. model. That means we should be quick and we should be aggressive. That means we have to take quick ins and quick outs. So if I go to 50-minute time frame, I can see all of these areas has been swept out. And when I consider a psychological level, next psychological level is 3,300 when it comes to gold. Okay, so then I'll go to 1 minute time frame, and over here guys, you guys can see I'm on the 9 p.m. time when it comes to time. So I can consider this as an order block, and this order block has been successfully tapped in. And if I place my trade somewhere here, 40 pip take profit and 20 pip it got hit like that, 20 pip stop loss and 40 pip take profits. So guys, the major thing in here is quick ins and outs. That's all guys. So you guys can see 2 minutes, 40 pips done. That's all guys. It's that simple. So you guys can take a if you guys want the narratives, guys, price targeted this high, sweeping this liquidity, and this order block is acting as a striker. Okay, so that's all guys, that's all. And this liquidity has been swept out from this order block, so that means this is a valid block. And the mean threshold level of this block has shown some rejections. That means the price might go up, and after the closure of 9 p.m. candle, I mean in 1 minute, I took my trade. So that's how it goes guys, 1 to 2. And yeah, so here you go guys. So that's how you catch these trades. So if I go to EU and GU, let's see how it goes. So I'm in the GBP USD chart. So guys, over here you guys can see, if I go to 4 hour time frame, we are clearly on a downtrend. And if I want to identify the bias, I'll go to daily time frame, and you guys can see if I use daily time frame, I'm on the Wednesday time, and I consider this as a weekly low. Okay, this Monday low as weekly low, and my drone liquidity is this. Okay, I'll remove these things. So when I consider the bias, okay, so the first step, I consider my bias. So I told you guys I consider it on daily CRT and weekly profile. So when it comes to the weekly profile, I consider this Monday candle as my weekly low. Okay, weekly low, and I can see some sort of a rejection from that weekly low in Tuesday, and I consider this fair value gap over here as my internal range liquidity or as my weekly drawn liquidity. So that means my bias is buy side. So when it comes to daily CRT method, the high of this candle has been swept out, and it has been swept out through a body. So that means the next candle I anticipate to go up to fill this gap over here. And if I go to the 1 hour time frame, and I'll go to the okay, so this liquidity over here has been swept out from this candle, and I consider this as a swing low as well. And you guys can see the price is breaking highs. Okay, price is breaking highs and making swing lows. So that means this bugger is making some sort of a bullish trend over here. And if I go to the 50-minute time frame, I'll go to somewhere, yeah, so I can still see this high hasn't been taken out. So that means the price can go up to take these highs over here. So if I consider to take this high, that means there we have 30 pips. So I just want 10 pips only. So I'll go to the 1 minute time frame. And guys, I want to tell you that you guys can take a trade during 8:50 to 9:15. Okay, just keep that in your mind. You guys can take your trades at 8:15 to 9:15. If you guys doesn't see any kind of entry signals during this time, guys, don't take your trade. Okay, keep that in your mind. This is what we call time and price theory. So if you guys see some sort of a movement or some sort of action during this time, just take the trade, or else just let it go, guys. You guys can catch a trade in New York session or else in London session. Just let it go. That's all, guys. So for that, you guys need some sort of a discipline, to be honest. But if you guys doesn't have a discipline, guys, trust me, you will see money, but you guys cannot take a penny to your pocket. Just keep that in your mind. Okay, so in here you guys can see we have a clear bullish trend, but some people might think a price might give us some sort of a pullback and like get us top 100, and then it will go back to the buy side. But the thing is, we are risking only 0.5%, so a loss is just a loss. So keep that in your mind. And over here I consider this as a order block. Okay, so some sort of an interested level order block is something like that, and this fair value gap is also a interested level to me. So I'll wait until, yeah, so this got hit. So I'll keep my I just place a trade over here, and 5 pips stop loss and 10 pips take profit, and let's see how it goes. Easy. So you guys can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 minutes, 10 pips done, 1% done. So that's all, guys. It's that simple. You guys can catch these types of trades like 2 to 3 times a week. But the thing is, if you guys lose 2 trades in a row, like if you guys lost on Tuesday and you guys did the same mistake and you guys lost on Wednesday, just leave the Thursday. Okay, leave the next day. So from that, guys, you might be able to recover back soon, because guys, 0.5% is it's like just a loss. Like, easy, man, easy. So guys, I want to tell you guys, if you guys go to the 1 minute time frame and you guys analyze these point of interest on those levels, just keep this in your mind. Most of the time 8:55 time is a crucial time, and also 8:57. okay, just keep that in your mind. 8:55 and 8:57 is crucial times. Both those two are crucial times, to be honest. And if you guys know about the consequent encroachment thing about order blocks, most of the time, guys, during those 2 times, 8:55 8:57, in those 2 times, price might tap into those consequent encroachment levels and go up. So in this case, it has happened. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, so guys, I'm on the Euro USD chart. So here you guys can see that we have some liquidity resting over here, and I consider those levels as trend line liquidity. So I consider these as trend line liquidity, and according to daily CRT, we are on a buy side. I mean, we are bullish. And if I consider this as weekly low, okay, so we can clearly see as this as a weekly low, and it has been respecting this fair value gap over here as well. So that means the price should go up and take these highs over here, or else at least take this liquidity over here. Because guys, if you guys know about the market makers model, we consider this as a reversal, and we consider these as phases, and this trend line liquidity as acts as fuel. Okay, I told you guys that before. And this order block has been respected, so that means we are breaking highs and we are respecting bullish PD arrays, and we have swept out all of these liquidity over here, and we have this buy side liquidity over here. That means most of the time price should go up. Okay, we should go up. So my bias is bullish. So if I go to the 50-minute time frame, and I can see this fair value gap has been respected, and we have a bullish engulfing candle over here. And if I want to take a trade, I can take a trade from here as well. But the thing is, if I go to 1-minute time frame, I can see the price is making some sort of a bearish movement, and it might go up, go somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here or here. So the best way to identify where the market can go is to use the OTE level. So if you guys doesn't know about the OTE levels, I can make another video about that thing as well. So just let me know in the comment section down below. So in this case, guys, the golden level has been aligned with the fair value gap over here. So that means most of the time the price might come back into this fair value gap over here. And to your reference, guys, you guys can use this wick as market structure shift. But the thing is, I use the consequent encroachment level over here, and we can consider this as liquidity. So you guys can see 857, 858. I can take a trade from here as well, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's take a trade at sharp at 9 p.m. Okay, guys, sharp at 9 p.m. Okay, so at sharp 9 p.m. I told you guys, most of the time 8:55. Time is crucial. A wick has been placed in this or fair value gap as well. 9 p.m. I told you guys, time is crucial. It wicked down back to this mean threshold level of this fair value gap over here. And 8:57, guys, this wick has been invalidated, like has been volumed out using this 8:57 time. So that means, guys, most of the time the price might go up. So I can use my what do you call this thing, orders to take a trade. So I consider this as a this fair value gap as my target. So see how it goes. Yep, at 8:15 or 8:30. Okay, 8:13. I just smashed my take profit levels. So the thing is, if you guys want a straight up time and price exit and time and price entries, make sure to take your entry at sharp 9 p.m. and if you guys want to exit, 9:15 is the maximum. Okay, so in this case, you guys can see 9:15, the time level is crucial. Just got back straight up into the break-even levels. Okay, so if somebody just made that trade down to break-even levels, might got hit, I don't know. But the thing is, it's better to take 1 to 2s and get your exit out there. That's how you guys make easy profits in the Asian session. But the thing is, guys, you should be able to identify where the bias is, and you should be able to act according to the time. And also, guys, you should be able to be disciplined. So that is the key in trading, guys. Most of you guys, 90% of the buggers who are watching this video doesn't have discipline, doesn't have risk management, doesn't have money management, doesn't have anything, but they have ego. That's the problem, guys. So keep that in your mind, and let's see you guys in the next video. Peace.